Hello, today we are going to complete this EX2021 chapter 3 and I'm going to do all the steps using Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Step 1 is saying we enable editing button in the message bar at the top of the presentation. So modify. So we're going to open this file. I've opened mine and I'm going to click enable editing there. Now I can be able to edit my file. The next step says, now step 2 is not compulsory, but it has to change it. Maybe you have intended to save it in a different way, you can do that. So that one I'm not going to delve in it. So I'm going to step 3, which is going on create the custom list table. So I'm going to create the table, format it like this, and then we're going to clean up to remove duplicates, and we're going to sort the data and convert the table to a normal range. So I'll go to that file, click on custom list, this one, click anywhere in the table like there, just click any cell but inside this data. When you click it, click on format as a table, and then we have been told format it as green accent style 14. I believe it's this one. So that one is green table style light 14. Click on it, that is the one that you want. Make sure it's marked, make sure this tick is marked for my table has headers, and click OK. And then that 2 is to clean the data. So as this data is already highlighted, I'm going to click on data, click on remove duplicates here, and then unselect all, then select first name, select last name and street, like that. Only those 3, then click OK. And as you can see, 8 duplicates values and 56 unique value remain. Click OK. So that step is done. And now we are going to do step C, which is on sort the customer list by last name and then by first name. As the data is already highlighted, don't do anything to that. So just go click here inside anywhere in the data table now. Click on sort. And then we're going to sort by last name, A to Z, then add level here. Click here to add level. And then we are going to, then by first name, A to Z, like that. And we're going to click OK, like that. Now you're going to, the next step says you're going to convert the table to a normal range. So click anywhere in the data on the table design here, click here on the tools part here, click it to convert to range. Yes, and then you're saying yes, and you're done with that step. Now we are going to, so step 1 is done. So go back to the file and we have been able to do all these steps. Now let's go to step 4, which is going to create the sales analyst table, and then we are going to sort the data by purchase date. We are going to apply this table style. We are going to display the total loss. We are going to filter, and we're going to remove the banning from the table. So let's go to our file to go to do step 4. So on step 4, it says go to click on sales analysis down here. Click on sales analysis. Then go and click on table design. No, click on data, sorry. Then click on sort. Since the first part is to sort, and we're sorting by purchase date and oldest to newest, like that, and click OK. After that, click on table design, and we want on the table style here, this part, click the drop down arrow and then go drag down so that you can find the dark, and you're going to put the dark blue table style dark 6. Click on it like that, and then you're going to display the total rows here, and we want to show the sum of number of sales. number of cells in here. We want to find the number, so we want sum. Click on sum, and also this other part we want it to be. We want it also to be sum, isn't it? Yes, sum. With that, we're going to click on data again, and we're going to click on filter. Click on filter. So okay, already the data is in filter, so you're going to click on, okay, if your table doesn't have these drop down arrows, you make sure to click on filters. Also, if you want to remove them, you can click on filter like that. But this exercise needs us to have it the drop down arrow. So you're going to click on filter, and then you're going to filter by city. So on city, this city here, drop down arrow, click on the drop down arrow, select all, then click on the one that we want. You want this one here. Click it, mark it, make sure it's the one that is ticked alone. Click OK. Then click on the zip file, the zip, then select all. Then we want 95663. Click OK. And with that, we've been able to format it well. Then click on table design for the last step, which says remove the banding, and on the banded rows, click on banded and it will be removed. Now remember to Control S to save your work. So step 4 is done. So highlight this one for step 4. So our step 4 is done. Now we are going to step 5. Step 5 says we are going to create the February sale table. We are going to sort by zip, then by city, and then by the just total. And we're going to add custom filter to show only purchase after or equal, before or equal, and you're going to apply this table style. So go back to your file, click on February sales, click anywhere in that data. But remember, yes, click anywhere in that data, click on data, click on, you want to sort. On the sort by, start by zip, add level. The next one is city. Add another level, and the next level is purchase total. Purchase total, this one here. And we want the purchase by to be the largest to smallest, So with that, click OK. Now let's continue to step C, which wants us to use a custom filter on the purchase date. So we're going to click on this drop down arrow for the purchase date. Click on date filters, and now you're going to click on custom filter. And the first one says purchase date is after or equal to, then we're going to type the date. We have been given date as 2/1/23. The next one is before or equal to. So I'm going to click on find before is before or equal to, and then I'm going to type the date, which is 2/28/23, and I'm going to click OK, like that. And then after it's done, we're going to apply brew. Click anywhere in that data, then click on table design, and we're going to apply brew table style medium 6. So we're going to use medium 6, which is this one here, brew style medium 6. Click on it, and with that, we have been able to do step 5 successfully, and Control S to save. And let's go. Now we have been able to do this step 5 successfully. Now we are going to step 6, which says you're going to create the custom filter table, and then you're going to create the existing filter from the city. We are going to create criteria. We are going to add 4 rows. We are going then to filter, and then we're going to add another row that has the count, average, and the sum. So go back to your file, click on custom filter. You see this the city has a filter here, this one, the funnel, this one. So click on it and then clear filter from city, like that. After doing that, we are going to the next step, which is create the criteria. So you're going to insert the 4 blanks. To insert the 4 blank, click on row 1, make sure you're clicking on this number 1 like that. Then on home, click on home, and on make sure you are clicking on this part insert. So you're setting 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Then it says copy the first row, so click on 5, Control C, then click here on 1, Control V, like that. And then it says click on city, on down the city, type the first city you are doing, middle log clean city, and the purchase the items purchased is less than 5, and purchase total greater than 100. Type there greater than 100, like that. All the same city, log clean, and we want this one, the item purchase is greater than 5, but the purchase total is less than 100. So you can make sure you confirm. So it says the same city, log clean city, less than 5, the purchase is greater than 100, all where the city is, and the number of purchase is greater than 5, this one greater than 5, and less than 100. Now you're going to apply the filter. To apply this filter, click here inside this table, and then you're going to click on advanced filter. So click on data, advanced filter, and filter, make sure you are clicked on filter the list in place. The range is there, it's added automatically, which is A5 to I16, and the criteria range is the 3 rows that we have above. So we're going to click from A1 to 3 up to I3, like that. Drop down arrow and then click OK. And then we're going to add the total row. Click here, table design, and click on total rows. And we want to have the average. Click here. We want average. When we want here in the city, we want count. And then we want item purchase, you want average, and also you want average for the purchase total, average, like that. So our work is complete. Now you just press Ctrl S and upload your work. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. See you soon with more videos. Thank you. Also, if you have an inquiry, I leave my email on the comment section. Check them and you can reach to me. Thank you and see you soon.